Ryan Reynolds sits in his lawyer's office, tense but composed. His legal team, led by a seasoned attorney, spreads documents across the polished table.
"What does Ryan Reynolds have to do with this?"
the lawyer asks, voice calm but firm.
"Other than being a supportive spouse?"
Reynolds exhales sharply, shaking his head.
"This is insane. Justin's entire case is built on the idea that I'm some Hollywood puppet master."
His rep, seated nearby, schemes through a printed statement.
"The claims filed against Ryan are nothing but an attempt to shame him for being the man Justin Baldoni pretends to be."
Across town, Baldoni's team is equally prepared. His attorney stands before reporters, flipping through pages of legal filings.
"Mr. Reynolds' exploitation of his enormous Hollywood influence continues,"
he declares.
"He cannot simply dismiss himself from this case when his involvement extends far beyond being a supportive spouse."
Reporters murmur. One raises a hand.
"Mr. Baldoni claims Reynolds used Deadpool and Wolverine to personally attack him, specifically the character Nicepool?"
The attorney nods.
"It's a blatant attempt to mock and satirize Mr. Baldoni's advocacy work."
Back at Reynolds' office, his attorney smirks, tapping a finger on the lawsuit's pages.
"Thin-skinned outrage. That's all this is. Hurt feelings over a fictional character."
Reynolds leans back, arms crossed.
"What about the defamation claim? The predator thing? Defamation would imply you didn't believe it."
His lawyer replies.
"Do you?"
Reynolds doesn't hesitate.
"Yes."
His lawyer slides a document forward.
"Then we argue First Amendment rights. Baldoni built his career on public confessions of mistreatment, books, podcasts, TED Talks. He can't cry foul now."
Another lawyer on Reynolds' team interjects.
"Wayfarer Studios polluted this case with hundreds of paragraphs of clickbait. We call it what it is, a desperate smear campaign."
At his own office, Baldoni watches the news, jaw tight. A clip plays of Reynolds' lawyer dismissing his claims as
general allegations of hurt feelings.
He mutters,
"This isn't over."
The camera zooms in on a court date circled in red, March 2026. The battle is far from finished.